Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving your phone immediate access without unlocking. Enable the lock screen widget or camera shortcut and make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active. Once done, place the YouTube widget or app shortcut on the lock screen area if your OS allows it. You do this because it lets you reach playback controls or short links quickly. Make sure the app is updated. Older versions may block lock screen features. Now lock the phone and proceed to the next step. You tap or swipe the lock screen widget to open YouTube without entering your passcode. Once the app or widget loads, use voice search or a pinned playlist to jump straight to content. This avoids unlocking for typing. If your device supports picture-in-picture, start video playback, then press home so video continues in a small window. You do this because it keeps the phone locked while streaming. Make sure media permissions and background play settings are enabled. You finish by using external controls, wired headphones, Bluetooth remote, or car media buttons to manage playback without unlocking. If the app refuses to open from the lock screen, go into Settings and enable lock screen app access and media controls. This is why permissions matter. Once changed, test again. If widgets or picture-in-picture still fail, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. Remember, if you see privacy warnings, weigh convenience against security and disable these methods when leaving your device unattended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.